Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix laptop screen freezes Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix laptop screen freezes Windows 11 from terminal. To begin, right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to access. First, let's perform a file system scan. Run the command sfc/scannow. Press Enter. Wait for the analysis to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When this is finished, confirm if corrections were made. After this, execute the command on the screen. Press Enter. You can see the percentage achieved. At the end, confirm the result. Chapter 2. How to fix laptop screen freezes Windows 11 using safe mode. To start, open Settings from Start menu. Here in the System section, click on Recovery. You are going to click Restart Now. Confirm by clicking Restart Now. This will cause the system to boot into this advanced mode. When accessing, click on Troubleshoot, open Advanced Options, and then click on Startup Settings. You are going to press Restart. Wait for the system to reboot. Press the letter F4 on your keyboard. This will boot the system into safe mode. When you log in this mode, open File Explorer. Open the C drive and access the Windows folder. Finally, select the software distribution folder and click Delete. Wait for this folder to be deleted. To complete this process, restart the system, and with this you will access the normal system mode. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.